Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can add music to your Facebook post. So without further ado, let's begin. To start, you can go ahead and then create a new post. To do that, you can just tap on this "What's on your mind?" Now after adding an image to your post, you can go ahead and then edit this post. And then you'll see at the top this icon, music icon, just tap on that. From here, you can now add any music that you want. You can also search for the artist or music that you want to add. You can also tap this play button to preview the music that you want. Now just tap on the music and then it will be automatically added to your post. If you're done, just tap on Done. And that's it! I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.